A jar of nuts contains almonds, cashews, and pecans and nothing else. If the ratio of almonds to cashews is 2 to 3, and the ratio of cashews to pecans is 1 to 2, then the total number of nuts in the jar can equal which of the following? Well, to start, if the ratio of almonds to cashews is 2 to 3, we can write that as 2x to 3x. And likewise, if the ratio of cashews to pecans is 1 to 2, we can write that as 1x to 2x. Now, of course, what we should observe here is that our two ratios overlap. They both refer to cashews, but in the case of the first ratio, we're calling cashews 3x, and in the second ratio, we're calling the cashews 1x, and that's impossible. So to resolve the situation, we want the smallest number divisible by 3x and 1x, and that term, of course, would be 3x. So I'm going to convert this second ratio. I'm going to multiply everything by 3 so that cashews can be rewritten as 3x. And when I do, I get the ratio of cashews to pecans is 3x to 6x. So now I can unite these ratios. If almonds are 2x and cashews are 3x and pecans are 6x, we can say the ratio of almonds to cashews to pecans is 2x to 3x to 6x. Now notice this is a part-to-part ratio because almonds and cashews and pecans are all parts of the whole, right? And when we add up the parts, we should get the whole. So if we add 2x and 3x and 6x, notice that they add to 11x. In other words, the total number of nuts in this jar, because there's nothing else, has to equal 11x, or put another way, is a multiple of 11. In other words, if we want to know which of these answers could be the total number of nuts in the jar, we're looking for answers that are multiples of 11. And if that's the case, A is going to be a correct answer because that's 5 times 11. C is going to be a correct answer because that's 9 times 11. D is also going to be a correct answer. That's 11 times 10. And finally, E is also one of the correct answers because 132 is 11 times 12. And there you go. That's the reason here why A, C, D, and E are the correct answers.